Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M4 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find additional settings. Then let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to find the language and tap on it. So let me pick maybe Turkish, just tap. And as you can see, from now on the whole system, the whole menu will be displayed in the chosen language. So in this device it is really easy, simply find the language and tap on it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.